Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify, where we break down the world of finance and crypto step by step. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money into your OKX wallet. Whether you are new to the platform or just need a quick refresher, I'll guide you through the whole process. So let's get started. First things first, head over to the OKX website or open the mobile app. If you don't already have an account, you will need to create one, but assuming you do, go ahead and log into your email address and password. Once you are logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. From here, find the Assets tab at the bottom of your screen on mobile or the top of the page on desktop. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. Select Deposit from the list. Now it's time to choose which cryptocurrency you'd like to deposit. OKX supports a wide range of coins, including popular ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDT. For this example, I'll deposit some USDT, but you can choose whichever currency you prefer. Simply select the currency from the list. After selecting your currency, you will need to choose the network for the deposit. Different currencies have multiple network options. For example, USDT can be sent via ERC20 on Ethereum, TRC20 on Tron, or BEP20 on Binance Smart Chain. Be sure to choose the correct network that matches the wallet or exchange you are sending funds from to avoid losing your money. I'm selecting TRC20 for this deposit. Once you have selected your network, OKX will generate a unique wallet address for your deposit. This is where you will send the funds. You can either copy the wallet address manually or scan the QR code if you are sending money from another wallet app. Head over to the wallet or exchange where your funds are currently stored. Let's say you are sending from Binance or another wallet. Paste the wallet address you copied from OKX, double check that you selected the correct network, and then enter the amount you want to send. Hit send or withdraw and the funds will be on their way. Once you have sent the funds, head back to your OKX wallet. Deposit usually takes a few minutes depending on the network and the cryptocurrency you have chosen. You can monitor the status of your deposit by going to the Assets tab and selecting Transaction History. Once the deposit is confirmed, you will see it reflected in your balance. And that's it. You have successfully deposited money into your OKX wallet. Remember to always double check the wallet address and network before making any transfer to avoid any issues. If you run into any problems, you can always reach out to OKX support for help. I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Financify for more helpful guides on cryptocurrency, investing, and finance. Drop a comment below if you have any questions and I'll be happy to help. Until next time, happy investing.